Welcome to the Continued Spotlight on Education presented by Neosho County Community College. I'm your host, Huntyr Schwegman, and I'd like to thank you for tuning in today as we put a spotlight on the news, upcoming events, and academic programs at NCCC. In today's episode, I will be sitting down with the CTE Guided Pathways Coordinator here at Neosho County Community College, as well as a current CTE student, to discuss the upcoming National Career and Technical Education Signing Day presented by the National Coalition of Certification Centers. First up on today's episode, I am joined by the Career and Technical Education Pathways Coordinator here at Neosho County Community College, Nicci Wiltse. Nicci, how's it going today?
It's going awesome outside and getting kids signed up for next year.
So, Nicci, before we get into the CTE signing day that we're going to talk about today, I just want to get to know you a little bit better. So just tell us a little bit about yourself. Who are you? What experience do you have for this job? And what should we know about you?
Let's see. I've been with Neosho County, I'm guessing, since 2005. Part-time. I was full-time. I was adjunct, and now I'm back to full-time. So I've been here about 17 years, I do believe. So I've done a lot of different kinds of jobs here, and most of it's always been helping students trying to find their path, trying to find their career and what school they want to go to.
Now moving on, let's talk about the CTE signing day coming up on April 10th. What is this event, and what is kind of the purpose behind why Neosho County decided to start hosting this event each year?
Well, we started this event, I think, in 22. It's a great opportunity for students to see other students really perform well when they become a senior and get ready to enter to college. They can sign on to a college of their choice, but on this one, we're signing on to come to Neosho County for CTE programs, career and tech programs. And so this is a great opportunity here at MCTC. We have a lot of new programs here. We have electrical, we have maintenance technology, we have aircraft, sheet metal and assembly, we have automotive, we have welding, we have HVAC, we have electrical. So there's tons of opportunities for kids to find their way, to find their occupation that they want to go into. On signing day, this is their commitment to get a certificate or an Associates of Applied Science here at Neosho County Community College.
In your answer there, you mentioned a little bit about getting some of these high school seniors to get into it. Is it only for high school seniors? Who's the event for? Who's allowed to sign up? What are the requirements? Just kind of tell us a little bit more about that.
No, it is not just for high school seniors. This is for anybody wanting to enter into one of our CTE programs. So if they're first year and they want to choose a program or even change a programming, say they're in electrical and they want to go to HVAC to get into that program, they can also sign on to get that program as well. We just want to honor all the students who chose a CTE program because they are important. They're important to our community. They're important to our nation, really, to get these trades going and for employers to hire them.
It sounds like this is kind of mirroring the National Signing Day that we see for athletics. Is that the case?
That is exactly the case. We honor athletics and we want to honor our CTE students because they're important too. We have a lot of actually athletics that are coming into the program, taking some of our trades. So we want to honor them in both capacities.
We just opened up the automotive technology program here in the last semester in the fall of 2024. So is that program allowed to be part of the signing day now? What all programs are included in this event?
Absolutely. Yes, that program is allowed to be in on signing day. We hope to expand it next year to our Ottawa campus as well, and maybe onto our allied health as well. So it's really for any CTE program available. This year we're just zeroing into MCTC here, Mitchell Career and Tech Center, but next year we hope to expand it.
We've learned quite a bit now about what the event is and kind of what the purpose is for the college participating in this, but on the flip side, why should a potential student participate in this event? What's your pitch to these students for them to come out when they're still in high school and really get a head start on choosing where they want to go for college?
We want to honor these students. We also are going to have a guest speaker. We also want them to know and their parents to know because their parents are invited. Their counselors are invited to this event. We are going to have a career fair here as well, so they'll be able to talk to employers about maybe doing internships or just seeing what what employers want from their students. And that gives them an in with employers, and some from far away as well. Because some people do not live close to here, but they might go home and talk to an employer, and maybe you can do an internship in the summertime with them in their field. So this reserves their spot in the program. So when they sign on, it's their intent to come here, and it reserves their spot.
You mentioned hosting a career fair at the same time as this event. So what kind of employers or vendors are students going to have the opportunity to speak with during this day?
Well, it's not too late for vendors to sign up, but I know for sure we'll probably have like Young's Welding, Advanced Systems, Sealy Plumbing, CDL. Kansas Works here. We'll have Commerce here for apprenticeship programs, Thormorn and Bridgewood, just to name a few.
You also mentioned that there was going to be a guest speaker at the event. Can you tell us who that's going to be?
Absolutely. Matt Godinez from the Department of Commerce will be here. Some of you may know him. He's a local, but he has a lot of great insight in all these fields.
We've talked a lot now about the signing day event, but let's maybe zoom out just a little bit and talk about the CTE programs that this event is highlighting. So can you tell us just a little bit more about what kind of opportunities the career and technical education programs provide to students here at Neosho County?
All the programs here at Neosho County are all high demand programs. These are the ones that we've asked industries that they wanted. Any program that you have is high demand out here, and you'll be able to make a great living.
Well, Nicci, I think that's all the questions I have for you today, and I really appreciate you sitting down with me today to talk about this National Career and Technical Education Signing Day. And I'm excited to see some students sign their intent to start a career here at one of our programs at the Mitchell Center.
Thanks for having me on. I also want to say that this will be live streamed, so you can watch it on the YouTube channel that we have at Neosho County. I hope you join us or come on by. It'll be a great opportunity for you to talk to our vendors here and talk to students and encourage them on.
Enrollment for summer and fall classes is now open at Neosho County Community College. Choose from over 40 programs that offer in-person, online, evening, and hybrid courses in 16, 12, and 8-week formats. Whether you're looking to earn an associate's degree or break into a new career field with a certificate, NCCC offers something for everyone. Start your academic journey today by emailing advising@neosho.edu to enroll at Neosho County Community College. Next on today's episode, I'm sitting down with Layne Baylor, a senior at Chanute High School who is currently taking Level 1 classes in the automotive program here at NCCC. Layne, how's it going today?
Good.
So Layne, we're talking today about the CTE signing day, and you took part in this event last year. So I want to ask you a little bit about why you decided to take part in the event and maybe what kind of got you involved in the world of CTE to begin with.
It was something new. I wanted to try it, and it was different. It was something to look at for my future.
And then, like I mentioned in the intro, I said that you are an automotive student. So how's that going? What are some of the cool things about the program so far? Maybe what's your favorite lesson or part of the car that you've worked on so far?
Brakes. I like brakes. It's pretty cool. We get a lot of donations from all the people, and we work on every single car. It's pretty fun.
With the CTE signing day, obviously you pledged your enrollment into the school, but Neosho County Community College was also holding your spot for you. So to kind of have that experience similar to what, Division I athletes get to go through when they commit, how cool was that for you to be able to take part in this experience?
It's pretty cool. It's legitimately awesome.
Just the last thing for you here, looking ahead to maybe your second year of automotive, what are some of the other skills or techniques that you're excited to learn or work on in the automotive technology program?
Well, I want to learn body. I want to learn how to do body paint stuff. Pretty much what I want to do right now.
Well, Layne, that's all the questions I had for you, and I want to thank you for joining me here on the program today and sharing your experience with the CTE signing day.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
NCCC's 2025 National Signing Day event is scheduled for Thursday, April 10th at the Mitchell Career and Technology Center, located at 4101 South Ross Lane in the Chanute Industrial Park. For more information on the CTE Signing Day and to get signed up as either a student or a vendor, check out the links posted to the NCCC social media pages. For more information on career and technical education programs at Neosho County Community College, visit neosho.edu/CTE. That concludes this week's episode of the Continued Spotlight on Education presented by Neosho County Community College. My name is Huntyr Schwegman, and I'd like to thank you all again for tuning in today. Don't forget to come back next week as we highlight another amazing aspect of Neosho County Community College, and visit neosho.edu for more information and to enroll at NCCC. Go Show!